Someone that works at a car wash explained to me, are the tiers bullshit?
Okay.
Because every once in a while I'm feeling funky and I get a higher tier, but is it all the same thing?
Hi, if you're gonna go to one of those automatic car washes, the lowest tier, the basic tier, is the trash tier. That's just soap and water, right? The mid tier is probably the best tier in terms of value. The highest tier is the same as the mid tier, except you get tricolor foam or rainbow foam. But what is tricolor foam? Tricolor foam is basically just foam with pretty colors and lights. It does nothing. You're welcome.